You only need 3 songs to come to life of any party. Seriously, it's easier than you think. Before I tell you what they are, let's talk about why some songs get everyone singing, no matter where you are. Because once you know that, you'll be able to get any crowd to join in. What if I told you that 3 songs could turn anyone, yep, even you, into the star of any party? Picture this, a friend brings out a guitar at a party, and instead of awkward silence or random strumming, they start playing Wonderwall. Suddenly, every single person in the room sings along, young or old. That's the power of the right song at the right moment. Step 1, pick songs everyone knows. 2, make sure the chorus is catchy and easy to remember. 3, don't worry about being perfect. Energy and confidence will win every time. But you might be wondering, what if you don't even know these songs? Are they really that famous? Here's a secret, even if you're not a music expert, you already know these songs. There's always that moment where someone starts singing the first line and the whole room joins in, singing super loud. No Googling the lyrics needed or no remembering. It happens at weddings, campfires, social gatherings, even family get-togethers, you name it. So don't overthink it. If you've heard it on the radio, at a wedding, or even at the end of a movie, it's probably on the list. A quick little tip, practice the chorus 3 times out loud and you're set. So what are these songs you need to learn at your next party to stand out? If you know just these 3, you'll always be the guitar person that everybody wants at the next social gathering or event. Think about those unforgettable parties from the past. There's always a classic song that pulls everyone in, whether it's a family gathering or a social event. Learn the opening riff and the chorus. You don't need the full song, just enough to get everyone into it. Singing, having a laugh, nostalgia begins to take over. But out of every song in the world, why these 3? Before I share the 3, what I'm doing here is actually on page 3 of this 101 sing-along songs guide. And you guys can have it, it's free. Just click on the link below after this video. Ever wonder why some songs never go out of style at parties? There's a reason Don't Stop Believin', Sweet Caroline and Wonderwall keep popping up time and time again. They're fun to play, they're impossible to ignore, they get an instant reaction and attention from an audience. Even people who don't usually sing, they usually join in on the chorus. When playing songs, always go for easy chords, a big sing-along moment, and lyrics that everyone's heard a million times. Practice these 3 and you'll always have go-to songs. Okay, so now you know the songs, but what's the best way to actually sing or play them so the crowd can join in? If you're nervous about playing in front of people, here's how to win them over, even if you've never played in front of a crowd before. First time I played at a party, my hands were like shaking, but everybody joined in, gave it a go, and we just had fun. Turns out confidence and crowd participation are way more important than not making any mistakes when you play your songs for others. Start slow, strum basic chords, and smile. Even if you mess up, people are on your side. You're sharing some music with them. And invite everyone to sing with you from the start. If you want more tips on becoming everyone's favorite human jukebox, click the link in the description below to find more out about theschoolofguitar.com.